Cosmo, do you like your new bed? Okay, now, Cosmo, let me see you play.
Look, Cosmo. Cosmo.
Bring your toy. Bring your toy, Cosmo.
Come on, bring your toy.
Get your toy. Get your toy. Come on. Bring it. Come here, Cosmo. Cosmo, come here. Come here. Come here, Cos. Cos, come here. Cosmo, bring your toy. Get your toy. Get your toy. They look so much fun. Get it. Get it, Cos. Good boy. Bring it here. Bring your toy. Come on. Bring your toy. I mean, bring your bed. That's your bed, but he's not really, he thinks it's a toy.
He definitely thinks it's a damn toy.
Cosmo, what you doing with your toy? I mean, your bed. You're supposed to be sleeping in it. Oh my gosh, what'd you do to it, Cosmo?
Already?
No. Oh, we flipped it over. There it goes. Okay, sleep in your bed, Cosmo. Sleep in it. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Be a good boy. Cosmo, that's the bed. Lay down. Lay down. Be a good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy.